How to fix no signal issue in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then reinsert your SIM card. After insert your SIM card, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.